Top 5 Best Woodworking Shaper. Number 5. Powermatic PM 2703 Horsepower Woodworking Shaper. The Powermatic PM 2703 horsepower version offers many of the same advanced features as its 5 horsepower counterpart but is tailored for users who require less power. It includes the same durable construction, easy spindle adjustments, and an industry-leading extra-large cast iron table for handling large projects with ease. The 3-horsepower motor is coupled with a 2-speed pulley system that uses a poly V-belt, ensuring slip-free operation. The machine's spindle height can be fine-tuned to within 1/1000th of an inch, with the help of the cast iron handwheel and digital height display. This accuracy is crucial when aligning rail and stile cutters for raised panel doors. The PM 2703 horsepower also features a sophisticated fence system with multiple T-slots for quick adjustments, ensuring precision and consistency across all your woodworking tasks. With its heavy-duty build and safety features, this shaper delivers professional-grade performance. Both versions of the Powermatic PM 2700 are backed by a 5-year warranty, offering peace of mind along with top-tier woodworking performance. Coming in number 4. Powermatic PM 27005 Horsepower Woodworking Shaper. The Powermatic PM 2700 is an all-in-one, high-performance wood shaper. Its 5-horsepower motor and solid cast iron construction ensure durability and precision, making it a top choice for professionals who require consistent power and accuracy. The motor operates with a 2-speed pulley system, ensuring smooth and slip-free power transmission. The machine is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring a micro switch to prevent accidental starts, a large cast iron handwheel for easy spindle height adjustments, and retractable full swivel casters for mobility. One of the PM 2700 standout features is its extra-large cast iron table, designed for handling big materials and projects. The sophisticated fence system is equipped with T-slots and featherboards to guide your workpieces securely, improving both safety and cut consistency. Backed by Powermatic's 5-year warranty, this shaper is built to last and comes with everything you need for demanding, long-term use in the workshop. Coming in number 3. Grizzly Industrial G10263 Horsepower Shaper. The Grizzly G1026 is one of the hottest shapers on the market, offering unmatched quality and construction at a competitive price. Certified to meet CSA and UL standards, this 3-horsepower shaper includes a range of impressive features: a precision ground cast iron table, fully adjustable guard, and spring steel hold-downs on the fence. This machine stands out with its 7,000 and 10,000 RPM spindle speeds, offering flexibility for different cutting requirements. It also comes with 3 interchangeable spindles and table inserts, allowing you to work with different cutter sizes. The machine's 3-inch spindle travel accommodates various projects and adds convenience for height adjustments. Additionally, the machine's reversible spindle option adds further versatility. Grizzly's G1026 is robust, reliable, and comes with a range of accessories, making it one of the best value for money shapers available today. Coming in number 2. Jet JWS 35x5:1 Woodworking Shaper. The Jet JWS 35x5:1 is a powerhouse, capable of handling even the most intricate woodworking projects. Its 5-horsepower motor provides ample power, while the machine's magnetic controls ensure a smooth and safe operation. The 2-speed spindle, which includes a safety lock, allows users to work with various speeds, while the starting pins facilitate irregular shaping jobs. The Jet Wood Shaper offers excellent versatility through its 4-speed pulley drive, ranging from 4,000 to 10,000 RPM. A quick-release lever allows you to easily switch between speeds, while the left and right fences can be adjusted separately using micro-adjustment controls. The large chrome hand wheel makes rapid spindle height adjustments straightforward, and the cast iron table is built to handle heavy-duty projects with ease. With features like a T-slot aluminum fence and feather board hold-downs, the Jet JWS 35x5:1 ensures precision for a wide variety of woodworking applications. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this machine stands as a long-term investment in craftsmanship. Coming in number 1. ShopFox W1674 2-horsepower shaper Prewired 240. The ShopFox W1674 is designed to deliver maximum performance without breaking the bank. It offers 25% more power and weighs 40% more than most shapers in its price range. The machine's 2-horsepower motor powers a range of advanced features, making it a great choice for serious woodworkers. With its 3-inch spindle travel, you can use taller cutters or stack multiple ones, providing you with numerous profile options and reducing tool changing time significantly. A reversing switch, split fence with micro adjustments, and a large cast iron handwheel are just some of the standard features that elevate the functionality of this shaper. For added capacity, you can also purchase the optional wrap-around extension table to expand your working area to 23 by 40 inches. This versatile machine is a valuable addition to any woodworking shop.